Hey guys, welcome on back to the AnKorage where everything is awesome, and this is not a full-blown video. Just no intro, no nothing. Just a quick addendum to the previous video regarding crypto mining using a Raspberry Pi, setting up for mining for Monero. One of the questions that came to mind, and I've seen out there, is is it possible to kick off mining and walk away? You know, well, yeah, of course you can walk away. But what the main meat of the question was regarding is can I close things out and walk away? Well, if you're on your daily driver computer and you open up an SSH session and kick off mining from there and you close that out, no, you're actually killing the job. It won't be mining anymore. So best thing to do in that instance would be to actually go over to how, figure out, well, how can you do that? I've got one in particular, and it involves VNC computing. So why don't we switch over to that monitor and we'll take a look at it. Okay, we've come over and I've got the monitor up, and here we are. So basically, I'm using an application called Tiger VNC. VNC, the letters, stands for Virtual Network Computing. Basically, is to connect a remote desktop connection to another computer. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be accessing the desktop to the Raspberry Pi. So if you go click connect on that and we log in, and here we go. So basically, here we are. I'm on the desktop of my Raspberry Pi, and I've got the terminal session up and running. If I can get the latency is kind of high, so right down. No, there you go. There's the desktop. That's the default wallpaper back there, and then this is the overall desktop session, and this is the my terminal connection. And of course, that latency is so draggy, but it is what it is. I have to live with it. There we go. All right, so I just maximized that, and here it is, and we can see that I'm mining, everything like that. So the object is coming into here and getting to the directory, to the build directory, kicking off the miner, and then at this point, you can actually close this out and it will return from that point. So there we go. So you can get up, walk away, launch anything else on your desktop, and go ahead and do anything like that. So that's what that is all about. That is really effectively the only way you can actually kick off the miner and close out of any connection to the Raspberry and go out about your business and stuff like that. Because when you're connected via a remote desktop application, you're accessing the actual desktop of the Raspberry Pi. And once you close that connection, you're closing your virtual desktop connection to that unit. And it's like that with any computer. So at that point, you can get up, go off, and do anything you want. And do other stuff on your computer. Go make some food, shower, go get coffee, go play baseball, whatever. So there you go. So yeah, that was just a quick little video, just a little addendum, so that gonna help out from video from a couple of days ago. Here we go. So thank you very much, and Skál. Drink to victory, and we'll talk to you later as I have my water.